If you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to enjoying the game with synchronized audio. Step 1. Check game settings. Ensure that your audio settings in GTA 5 are correctly configured. Go to the settings menu, select audio, and verify that the output device matches your current setup, speakers or headphones. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use Windows Update to check for and install the latest audio drivers. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio problems. Use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files and repair any that are damaged. Step 4. Adjust audio sample rate. Sometimes changing the audio sample rate can help. Go to your sound settings in Windows, select your playback device, click on Properties, and under the Advanced tab, try different sample rates to see if it resolves the desync. Step 5. Restart the game. After making changes, restart GTA 5 to ensure that all settings are applied correctly. This can help refresh the audio system and potentially fix the desync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the audio desync problem in GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.